What has happened at Honbei is one of the saddest chapter episode in the history of Nagas. I have no words, adequate words, to express the sorrow, the grief of what has happened. Four precious lives at the prime of their youth were cut short. We don't know what made them, what made the killers take such drastic action. I can only say that it is the saddest chapter, and it is my hope and my wish and prayer that such unfortunate incident does not occur in this land of Ukhrul and Kamjong. We have seen enough of bloodshed in the last 70 years of our nation building. Today, I, on behalf of my friends who have come all the way from Imphal, convey our deepest condolences to the bereaved family of this poor